I happen to know the facts. Now, friends, I'm just an average American. But I'm an American. And some of the things I see in this country of ours make my blood boil. I see people with foreign money. I see Negroes holding jobs that belong to me and you. Now I ask you, if we allow this thing to go on, what's going to become of us real Americans?
I've heard this kind of talk before, but I never expected to hear it in America.
The truth about Negroes and foreigners. The truth about the Catholic Church.
Do you believe in that kind of talk?
Well, makes pretty good sense to me.
And I tell you, friends, we'll never be able to call this country our own until it's a country without. Without what? Yeah, without what? Without Negroes. Without alien foreigners. Without Catholics. Without Freemasons. You know these things.
What's wrong with the Masons? I'm a Mason. Hey, that fella's talking about me.
And that makes a difference, doesn't it?
These are your enemies. These are the people who are trying to take over our country. Now you know them. You know what they stand for. And it's up to you and me to fight them. Fight them and destroy them before they destroy us. Thank you.
Before he said Masons, you were ready to agree with him.
Well, yes, but he was talking about... What about those other people?
But in this country, we have no other people. We are American people.
What about you? You aren't American, are you?
I was born in Hungary, but now I am an American citizen. And I have seen what this kind of talk can do. I saw it in Berlin.
What were you doing there?
I was a professor at the university. I heard the same words we have heard today. But I was a fool then. I thought Nazis were crazy people, stupid fanatics. But unfortunately, it was not so. You see, they knew that they were not strong enough to conquer a unified country. So they split Germany into small groups. They used prejudice as a practical weapon to cripple the nation. Of course, that was not easy to do. They had to work hard to do it. You see, we human beings are not born with prejudices. Always they are made for us. Made by someone who wants something. Remember that when you hear this kind of talk. Somebody is going to get something out of it. And it isn't going to be you.
In today's world, love is not being promoted as much as the word hate with our new United States leadership, which can secretly creep into our being if we're not careful. It sounds so weird to say United States when we seem to have so much division among the people of this nation. But I know in my heart that love will always conquer all. Today, I want to share with you affirmations of love that can shed positive light into the world. Say these often to guard your heart from the words of hate that may try to deceive your way of thinking and seeing the world. I give love without question. It is in my nature to extend positive energy to those around me. Love is in abundance within my soul, so I give it without question. I believe that even the simplest gestures go a long way. Saying good morning to strangers allows an exchange of good vibes. I am conscious of the positive impact it has, so I do it whenever I am able. I am disinterested in deciding whether someone deserves to receive love. It is my duty as a human to reach out and support others regardless of my personal feelings. When a friend misses out on an opportunity, my first instinct is to offer comfort. I recognize when someone yearns for quiet love and caring without judgmental statements. I understand emotions and seek to re-energize the healthy feelings. Anyone who comes to me for a kind word, prayer, or a helping hand receives it. My life is fulfilling because I am able to share light and joy with others. I grow more compassionate when I give love unconditionally. Today, there is more love within me than I am able to keep to myself. I look out for opportunities to share it and make the lives of others happy. My commitment to extending positivity to the world is unwavering. Here are some self-reflection questions I would like to ask you to ask yourself. Number 1, what are some of the gestures that I am able to use to share love with others? Number 2, where do I go for support when I am feeling down or discouraged? Number 3, what are some of the opportunities available to me to assist those in need? This is Letitia Harris of No Limit Attraction, and I want to thank you for listening. I ask you to go out and be the light in the world that others need at this time. God bless.